What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Another day, another video, another dollar. Another great day here in the market, man. We ended up pulling in 1828 today. Lost $200 on AMTX, 800 on Neo, and Tesla 1195. So let's break down what happened. Pretty much, I mean, like always, the first dip. I didn't jump in on this first one. These four candles. I was waiting for the 5 minute to confirm, and I ended up jumping there. I sold at 590, which was right here, because it was struggling so bad to break 590. It was like 5 seconds later. I ended up like selling. I sold 5 seconds earlier than I should have, and as soon as I sold 5 seconds later, boom! It makes this huge jump, man. And I only ended up making like $600 on that trade. And it's disappointing because I could have made I could have doubled my, I would have been up 1,000 probably on that trade alone, probably more. But whatever. I was looking for a win, and that's my first win on that one. Then on the I ended up stopped trading at Tesla because I saw that it came down here. Boom! I was disappointed by then. So then I go to AMTX, yeah. And this is where it's like a little bit. This one tricked me, man, because it was right here. I was trying to go into that, oh no, it was right here on the second pullback. I was trying to get to the next one, but ended up dumping on me, and I was like, man, just not, I was lost $200 there, and I was like, all right, so it's not going good. So then I go to NIO, and this one was a really good trade, man. I was over here, catching at first. I was down about 200 trying to catch that break up the BWAP, but it wasn't happening, right? So I ended up taking another position down here because I saw a good support. Had been a really good support all day. And I ended up taking a position there with 1,000 shares, and I was going for the BWAP break again, right? I was just waiting for it. I was like, man. I was like, if we break that BWAP, I was already up enough money. I was up like maybe 400, I think, at that time. And I saw this cup and handle pattern here. I was just like, man, we just need, from my perspective first, it was just like this. It was like that, exactly like this. And I was just like, man. If we break above, if we break above 46.69, oh yeah, then you can see a massive push up. And sure did, man. It just climbed. I ended up selling there at the end of that candle, and ended up with like $850 on this trade. Basically, what I made right there, yeah, 838. I didn't take any more trades after that. I was just like, nah, I'm good. Because I was trying to actually get in, but I don't know, man. The price action was so bearish that I just could not. So I ended up going back to Tesla, right? I ended up going back in Tesla, but with Tesla, I was only up $500 at that time. So I wasn't up much on Tesla. So then, this is where we start noticing a little bit. I started noticing the uptrend. I didn't really take trades here at all. I was just watching it at first. Me and one of my buddies were talking on it, and he was just telling me, he's like, look, dude, Tesla's making a move, and I'm making a move. And I was like, all right, let me take a look at it. So I started looking at it, and I jumped in on the first pullback, and this is what gave me another $500. I was up at 1,000, and basically the other $200, it was like we ended up making it right here on these little on the pullback, and then we ended up trading back to back. I was up about $2,000 at that point. I was up $1,400 on Tesla, and I ended up losing $200 more on the this trade right here. I was trying to go for the breakup back up here, and then it dumped on me. So I ended up giving it back, and we were gonna we're waiting for 591 because we saw that nasty downside move. But by then I was like, man, it's already done. I knew it was gonna bounce off the VWAP, but I don't know. I didn't watch it, I guess. And sure it did. I would have made a good significant amount of money. But it's okay. You know, good day, so solid day. Yeah, I mean, let's see. I also took a swing trade on Apple. I took a swing trade on Apple. Basically, let's see. I was in at 122.90. So the reason why I took the swing trade here is because let me clean my chart up a little bit. Reason I did it is because, see, we're using that as support now, right? So my theory is that we are gonna go to 127. That's my next goal right there. So I think we're gonna go up to 127. That's about 4% on my swing trading account. That's what I'm aiming for. So right now, if we get to that target, after that would be, we'll be looking at 138 or so, So that's really right now my take on Apple. I got a friend mentioning Snapchat. Man, Snapchat, I did not see. I mean, I saw the pattern yesterday, but the thing is, I didn't like it in the morning. I did not like it in the morning because in the morning, okay, there was weakness. See that? It kept failing. And then all of a sudden, it just a rocket ship, man. This was significant. That's 4%. Just great, man. That was like awesome right there. So, thanks for calling that out, man. I mean, that was a really, really nice move. I wish I could have been a little bit more patient. It's like everything, I mean, it's kind of like, you're looking at something and it's just not there. And you're like, when you turn around a little bit and it's like, you're like, God almighty, I should have known. I mean, the pattern was there. I mean, don't get me wrong. The pattern was there. Still there. It's confirmed, It's a confirmed uptrend now. So 55, I mean, let's see. 14%. Let's see. So somewhere around there, $52 a share. Could be. I mean, I don't know. It just depends. I mean, it was looking solid. So if you were in a swing trade with that was pretty good too. Let's look at the overall market though. See how the overall market's looking. Man, this week's just been bearish. Week has been super bearish, man. See, right now we're on a V shape type of. So if we break above that right there, we will be making a nice. It's a bull flag. So making a little leg up, right? Okay. There's potential more for the market. Let's see. And this was the one that shocked me. I was actually gonna short it. Thank God I didn't. I was actually thinking of shorting it the other day. Right there. Boy, I don't know what I was thinking. I could have been. Yeah. That's 8%. Yeah, AMD it's definitely not what to short. That's pretty much what happened today in the market. If you guys have any stocks that you guys want me to break down and see my thoughts on, just leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and then be a part of this channel. We're making progress every day. I mean, my wins are getting better. I've been doing okay, I guess. I'm trying to be making like at least 5K a day. I mean, it just depends, I mean, obviously the goal is to keep constantly improving as a trader. But I mean, we'll see where it takes me or whatever. So, but yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys another day. And that was it for today.